opening. Next opening his gift. What is this?
Oh, Jesus. Ow.
It's the EX box. Okay.
Ow.
Open it, Matt. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You know how to open it?
Yeah. Ooh. I'm not strong.
You said you know how.
I do, but I never know there are scissors. Oh. Scissors. Ah! It's so long till I open this. It's gonna take like 2 hours. It's gonna take 2 hours to do this. Open! Open up! Oh!
Hey.
Thank you. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, what did you get?
No.
Oh, nice.
Look at me. Yay!
Whoa, good
Just
job,
kidding.
man. What do you
Oh.
say? Who's the
Thanks,
best
Dad.
dad? Best dad ever?
You. Yeah.
Thanks, man.
I have to pop out. Wait. Oh, it doesn't go from this side. I have to pop it out. Okay. Oh, this is kind of hard to pop it out. Maybe I'm just going to take the packs out.
Oh, what did you get there? Oh, cool.
Flash, practiced a couple. No, I don't, Sun and Moon. Another one. Okay, go down, go down, go down.
Wow, that's so cool.
Okay.